Today we're going to visit one of Austria's tallest waterfalls. Our journey begins in Innsbruck, making it easily accessible via public transportation. This region is really picturesque, so make sure your camera is ready to take a lot of scenic shots. The first vlogging attempt.
I know. Where are we going?
To Umhausen.
Oh, no, we're
No.
leaving Umhausen.
We're leaving
It's the end of Umhausen.
We have a GoPro. Our first time using it. The first thing you will see is a so-called Ötztal village. There you can learn some history about the Stone Age. This time we decided just to go hiking and reach the waterfall. Have a clear idea of your road or take someone who knows with you. Along the way, you will encounter multiple viewing platforms before reaching an 80-meter long suspension bridge that, yes, can be quite thrilling. We were lucky enough to witness a rainbow and take some great shots when it wasn't crowded. After conquering the challenging 700 steps ascent to the waterfall's peak, take a moment for some deep breathing exercises and don't forget to stay well hydrated. This place has so much to offer. There are different running trails and even a climbing road. If you're hungry, there is an option to dine at a local inn. They, however, serve food starting from noon, so plan accordingly. As for our return journey, there was an option to go back or to go further through the forest. We chose the latter. If you are new to this kind of activity, pay attention to the signs on the trees to make sure you stay on the right way. It was the perfect way to cap off our small adventure.